Kirchhoff laws. Kirchhoff first rule, current rule or junction rule. It states that the algebraic sum of the current at any junction of a circuit is 0. For example, if you consider one circuit, 5 current passing through the circuit, this is a junction. This is a junction. A is a junction. So 5 current passing through the wire. See how to define the first law. The current towards the junction you take positive. The current away from the junction take negative. So first I1 current. I1 then I2 current towards the junction, so plus I2. I3 current away from the junction, see away from the junction, so minus I3. Then I4 also away from the junction, so minus I4. I5 also away from the junction, so minus I5. So from law, sum of the current at any junction at a circuit is 0. So total current always is equal to 0. So now you take I1 plus I2, the minus part you take right hand side, I3 plus I4 plus I5 according to the rule. So sum of the current towards junction is equal to sum of the current away the junction or towards or leaving. So the both current also same, opposite, so it will become, suppose for example this 10 ampere, this is also 10 ampere, means you take this side 10 minus 10, it will become 0. So sum of the current at any junction of a circuit is 0. This is the first law or current rule or junction rule. Second rule, Kirchhoff's second rule, voltage rule or loop rule. Here if you consider a loop means it's a closed path. If you consider circuit, one EMF, battery or cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors connected in a circuit. So current start from positive, so I1 current, then R1 resistance, R2, R3, R4, R5, I1 current, I4 current, then I2 current passing through here, this direction, I4, I5, then it will circuit completed. Now, how to define the law? The state that closed circuit, algebraic sum of the product of current and resistance. Product of current and resistance. Each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF include the circuit. The total EMF include the circuit. See how to define. First you consider one loop. EACE. E, this is a E. E, A, C, E. This part. E, A, C, E. According to the rule, the product of current and resistance. Product what? I1 current into resistance. Product of current into resistance. Product of the sum of the product of. Sum of the product of I1 R1. Next we'll move to EACE. This circuit only. AC. Then I2 R2. Next the direction C2E plus I3 R3 is equal to total EMF including the circuit. In this circuit only one EMF only is there, that is E. So this is the rule. So if, for example loop ABCA, if I find the voltage rule for ABCA, ABCA, AB, I4 into R4, current into resistance. Next BC, AB, BC, CA, that is root AB, BC, plus sum of the product of I5 and R5. Next CA, AB, BC, CA, but the current direction AC. But our direction is AB, BC, CA. So opposite. Opposite means minus. Minus I2 into R2. R2 is equal to total EMF include the circuit. Here there is no EMF in the circuit, that means there is no battery, so it will become 0. This is the rule, voltage rule. So same direction means take positive. Suppose opposite direction, say AB, BC, CA. CA you have to move, but current moving A to C. So it's a minus. So this is a sum of the product of the current and resistance is equal to total EMF include the circuits. Here EMF only one EMF, you have to substitute. Here there is no EMF in this circuit, so you can put 0. So this is a second rule.